Another beautiful day, but today is a burn pile day. I got my fire going, burning this wood pile sticks from all over the yard. And I'm about to chop up these giant logs to get rid of them. They're kind of old and rotted. I'm gonna put that on there too. Got my hose standing by. I do this every year. This thing is burning pretty fast. I have a burn permit and everything. It's getting hot out here. I spray a little water on it to, calm it down here and there. I'll show you how to do that. Go like this. Makes it go lower. Lots of brush around here. Constantly pulling out brush and putting it into burn piles. There, now you can see most of the brush is burned off, and I just have some larger pieces in there now. This will just burn slow like this for quite a long time.